welcome to the Mixed Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is out and about, and she's talking about stuff. Now, one person that was mentioned was Miss Princess. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my wonderful lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, have yourself a wonderful day. And I wish you love, joy, happiness, peace, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my followers, I just want to say to you, have yourselves a beautiful day and keep your beautiful smile upon your face. Remember, no one has the power to take that away from you unless you give it to them. And remember, you have one life to live, so live it to the fullest today. Have yourselves a beautiful one.
In the evening, I may doze off. I'm there one place, I may say, me not ready to talk a dream yet. Me not ready to talk a dream yet. Me let that dream there. Me not ready to talk it yet. Let me see first. Now, me don't know if a blessing or, because me Google it and it says a good thing, so let me see first. Me talk my dream. Me see one big black woman come in my dream. Come give me something. And give me one number and one place. I see one of my enemy in my dream too. So them not go fool me. In my vision around the what time boyfriend call me? In the 8:30 bells. Me na doze off self-consciously. I may get the vision here him call me and wake me up. And stuff. Me not talk it yet. I will talk it. Let me wait a couple days first before me talk it, because me just get it. Because me Google it and go according to Google is a good dream. So let me wait first before me talk it. But no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Anyway, people, all the people who is on this page, please to subscribe to this page and make it reach 10,000. Please to show some love over here, make a page reach 10,000. I don't know why taking so long for it 10,000. Or not taking too long. Or no want me giving a good things. What's up, Sister Elaine? What you say? Yeah, me dear. Make the page reach 10,000. Subscribe to that page and make sure say wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't want to get some nice things, and the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come, honey. The reality show, Marcia can be the reality show of my life. So it's only don't want to miss nothing. Because you see when time these people are fight against me, much less I keep funeral for me, you know say the Lord have something good for me in stores. Yes, my dear. You know say, but watch me and them. You see, me hear say Miss Princess cancer come back in a Miss Princess throat. Well, Miss Princess from Canada, when you mix with dirty bungle, and didn't I tell you, say, the cancer was going to come back? Didn't I tell you it was going to come back? Didn't I tell you? When you were following me all these years, you never know the plank of them. When you were talking to me, you did not know the plank of them. And you turned against me for money. You turned against me for money. Didn't I tell you? So the cancer was going to come back. Back to sender. But you wasn't hearing. You were there worrying about the money when you were supposed to be motivating, and you go over the fence page and you talk against me, and you gone on the wrong side of the fence. And you turn against somebody who was there for you. You know, say, the cancer coming at your throat for your age now. It's going to be a battle. for you. I hope that the plank of them and the people and where you turn against me with, I hope they will be there for you to motivate you and encourage you. Because sometimes God have to make things happen to you. To make you realize, say, if come out of people when I have no use to you. Because when me see you follow me all these years, and when me see you turn against me, so you could have get a little highlight from people. These followers on social media don't care nothing about anybody. All they care about is likes and views. Just like where over the landlord do. Just like where the little dirty girl chin over there do. Latest and the whole of them. These people are non-factor, desperate women in Jamaica that don't really have much. And even if they do have something, them still struggling for more. And them want to crow because them over there talking and taking up for this woman in Jamaica for the past few years. And them not reach nowhere yet. Them don't tell me what to talk about from what to talk about. If you listen to me, listen to my statement with understanding. Please do not disturb me when I'm talking. Else me go and black you. May I highlight something. And if you don't understand me in an intellectual play, we do not say nothing to me because I not answer you. Because the whole of you hypocrite boy. I not ask a few little supporter out here with me. Because I want to sit down and watch people trying to destroy my reputation. You sit down over, yes sir. You sit them over YouTube and keep funeral service for me today. And you not say nothing. I don't want one blood clot come over here and say nothing to me. Me I talk the truth. And this is a prime example to see when people turn from good and go to evil. God is going to punish them. It's just simple as that. So, me highlighting the situation. What can happen to you when time you're sick? You must give God thanks and praise. She came on social media and she spoke about that she have stage 4 cancer at one point in her life and God saved her. When you have stage 4 cancer in your life and it was bad and God saved you, you're supposed to be worship him every day and speak about his goodness and his grace and mercy. You're not supposed to depend talk show that is downgrading women just to get money for your show. And I'm saying it, I do not, everybody on my page may have them power antenna. Nobody is safe on my page. A few supporters on my Facebook page who is with me. So I don't want one mama bumbleclot come over here and tell me nothing. Or not even ras clot in supporting my business. If you left up to who if you support my business and whatever, gingy fly take up my pussy. So me don't want one mama blood clot tell me nothing. Because when them out there scandalizing me, you're not saying nothing. This is a general statement. This is a general statement. I'm not coming over here to overthrow my page. This is my page. I am the one who is paying $125 a month for phone bill. So let me continue. I may realize today when I see it that the cancer come back. May wish you all the best. But you know, say, when things come back like that, you know, say, God is calling you. So it's up to you It's up to you. It's up to you to surround yourself with good things and change your diet. But good luck to you. Me not have no remorse against you because I know that money is the root of all evil. And see how the bloggers them over social media turn themselves in an idiot. See them over there, see them over YouTube. But them a keep funeral for me. One dirty girl when named Chin over there. When she should be keeping funeral for her cemetery pussy where she have on her foot. The cemetery pussy where bury all over the 14 parish yard. If you go is 14 parish in a cemetery, you can see her name in the grave, or then cut out piece and put it every cemetery. So she can't keep no funeral for me, boy. I saw when time them can't beat you, them resort to both them a keep funeral for people. Me never know say, and me alone dead did make for. When the right time come, me have to go one day. We don't know when we're going, but we know we're going one day. But until then, we're going to be a warrior. And we're going to tell them and fix them business as all them business supposed to fix. And we not cater. This is what you call desperation for money. No, the little drunk dirty girl up on YouTube for about a year or two ago on. And them over there take up the planker. And them can't reach. Not even 20,000 them can't reach. The only time them get likes and when them call my name. Them over there cuss for people every day and them can't reach 20,000. If them not call my name and Tina Chin name and other people name, them not get no views. Just like the one dirty landlord. Them take down her page and she have to start over. And from she not tap call my name every day. And a chat up her kind of something so she can't get views. As soon she start call up my name, her views them going up and her likes them a go up. And she realized, say, oh, let me take set pa Marcia. So she start take set pa me like over the fence that take set pa me every day. But she don't know what come to her. She when she get it, she take it. When me I give it to her, 3 times me I give it to her. So she have to go start again. When me I come like a thief in the night. And a 3 stone me I fling. Boop, bap, bap, bap. But know people sit down and wait and say, Marcia, what are you waiting for? Don't worry yourself. When them think of peace and safety are sudden destruction. Don't worry yourself. Them always say, well, after a storm, is always a calm. No worry yourself. Believe me when she get it. Me no want give her 1. Me no want give her 2. Me want if it bap, 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 bap. Yes. So when you think say nothing not go on, me no want give it to her in a war. Me want give it to her when them sit down quietly and I drink her Red Bull and her beer and I smoke her cigarette. And when she feel nice, she just hear YouTube, just send her a message and say, Iraq, Sudan, and Germany just send a nuclear to you. And that's so me want her to get it. When she well relax and things say Marcia forget things. Them I guess them people I don't know about February people. Wanna know about February people? I wonder if I know about February people. Maybe on February. Maybe on the end of February. I wonder if I know about February people. I wanna know say we allow people to do a whole heap of things. But when you not cross the line And when we reach to a pinnacle where we say we cope when we just not like you. At them the time they're dangerous. When we know say we reach a pinnacle, we say, all right, that is it. You can't get me back. Only the blood of Jesus can get me back if it have anything to do with you. And that's some reach with her. Just one more little sip for reach on top. And she get what she's supposed to get. So nobody call me like, Marcia, do it now, do it now. No worry yourself. I want nobody can tell me to do. I do my things in my own time. That's what I do. I do my thing in my own time. Because you realize, because them things that this funeral be service where them a keep for me is funny. Them think it funny. That's for show you how them soul is unrested. You notice when you look at them not look good. Even when you look on the one planker she a Jamaica, I never see somebody who come up who claim say them a migrate to America. Sad so. The woman not have no happiness span her so she come America can live. I don't know where she get up herself in. Take up too much bungle where she can't manage. The woman not have no joy. How can somebody be migrating to one of the biggest country in the world? Even though she died Jamaica and she doing what she want doing. But she still can come here and do better and do something too. And she looks so sad and very unhappy and greedy for money. Why are you so greedy for money? To come to America? Or where you get yourself in? What kind of business propositions or what kind of things you get yourself in that you have to be baking up whole heap of cake, just land America and keeping party? Then where you get yourself in? I mean, then where you get yourself. Let me elaborate on that. Look how you're sad. Look how you're miserable. Why are you so stressed out? When people are coming foreign, you shouldn't be looking like that. You shouldn't be looking you shouldn't be looking like that. And this is what people have to look at and say. People come up here throwing words and boasting about their financial situation. Look at that. I don't have no topic. Me a freelance. Me a slideshow. Eh? Eh? Me I say, Diane, how this woman is so unhappy and migrating to the biggest country, as she say. Maybe all visa she get. You people have to understand the event that she's keeping is not her event. It's an organization that she formed, that she have with people, and then just put her up in the forefront. It's not her event. It's not her event. It's other people that are involved that gave her the propositions. And she realized, say, she'll be making certain amount of money and they'll be making most of it. She's not happy. Me not ask you. It's not her event. I may get it from good source. It's not her event. It's just her name they are using in the forefront. And she's not happy because now she realized she's with some big people that is behind.